Visit friends, Tito at Tita, Lolo, Lola, what will do that?
Hello everyone. Thank you for inviting me to my special birthday party. Lord,
Thank you for. Thank you for.
thank you for attending my birthday party and celebrating with me. Thanks to my daddy, my tita, my other titas, and everyone. Thank you for inviting my birthday. I love you.
Thank you so much. Once again, a happy birthday to our birthday celebrator once again, Natalie Gueda. As you see, it's Elijah. Hi Elijah. How did you know the solar system? Oh, my son. It's so pretty siya. Okay, can I have a request? So please everybody, lahat tayo mag-beat. O, magkakaroon ng happy birthday. You go over there. And then, the roses. First line to dance with the birthday celebrator may come on here at the front. Give the rose. Once again, palakpak tayo na malakas. Nathan Zane Mateo, music DJ. Palakpakan naman tayo na malakas para kay Nathan Zane Mateo. Let's keep it dancing. To dance with the birthday celebrate miracle on Elijah Luis Mateo. With the flower, Elijah.